Hey friends, I thought I would just turn the camera on and show you what I've been working on. So I'm working on my latest journal collection. So I am making 7 of these cute journals. Look at this fabric. Isn't that just gorgeous? Love it. And I dyed my own seam binding for the closure for these cuties right here. And then next what I'm getting ready to work on is the cover. So I have these really pretty watercolor images and I have backed them onto some watercolor painting that I did. And then I have a little bit of lace that we're going to put behind the topper here. And then we'll have that be our cover. Isn't that so cute? I love it. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to sew around these. This is another one I have right here. Love it. So I'm going to sew around the detail on these, and then I also am going to sew around the covers. So for the inside cover, I also did some more watercoloring. So I have all these really fun watercolor paintings. I did collages, and so these are going to be the inside cover of the journals. And yeah, I love it because I love the texture. This is kind of like a bumpy watercolor paper, and I think it'll just look so nice in here. Like, let me show you. These are coming together so nice. So once I get all the sewing done, I will then show you the pages that I'm going to use. So I did some washi tape down the middle of the spine, and then we'll have these in here. Aren't those cool? I love it. Yes. And then we can have some pockets over these. Yeah, they're coming together really nicely. And I like the sturdiness of this. We'll just give this a little bit more reinforcement because I used a file folder for the cover. But I am in love with this fabric. I think it's so pretty, and I think I have so 6 of these are spoken for, but I have 1 more so that I will be listing on my Etsy shop. Yeah, I just finished doing the little sewing detail. I did a zigzag stitch, and I decided to do white because I did not want it competing with the image, and I think that's nice. I like the texture that the sewing brings, plus the little added extra detail. I'm going to glue these in, and I think I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac glue, but I'm going to round the corners because I think the rounded corner look I'm going to like a little bit better. So let's see. So there's the rounded corner versus the straight corner. So yeah, I think I like that. So it's the next day, but I wanted to show you the progress so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the covers, the toppers to the cover, but I have the pages sewn in now, glued and sewn in, and then the seam binding here. And it looks so good. I'm so excited how these are turning out. So I'll show you. So those are the purples. So I have 3 of kind of like the purples and the blues. And then here are the kind of orange and pinks and purples. And then the inside right here. And I'll do a full flip through at the end. But I think they look fantastic. I'm so excited. I am going to attach the toppers next, and then we'll sew the signatures in, and I'll show you those pages. And I'll change the camera view so you can kind of get a top-down view of what the final journal looks like. I have finished these cuties up, so let me show you. So here are kind of the orange and blue and purpley covers. I just love how they have turned out. And then here is this one. So fun. And then here's kind of the purpley, blue and green ones right here. So cute. So I love how the covers turned out. They were really pretty. And then these are the seam bindings. I dyed those myself. And so I have videos on how I color my seam binding, but if you'd like me to do another video, I can. And let me show you the papers. The papers are going to be similar, but they're not all identical. So let me open these up. And so we have the sewing detail. I love the sewing detail on the inside and the outside. And even on the back here. I still need to stamp the back of these. And then I thought this paper was just so cute with the flowers and kind of these almost look like watercolored little vases. And then just a fun collection of different papers. So we have 2 pockets, one in the front and one in the back. And then we have some dyed papers, some more flower papers. And I love, this is one of my favorite flower books. And this is another one of my favorite flower books. And I had this be the center of the signature because they're just such pretty images. I really like them. They almost look watercolor. And then the back side of this signature and the other pocket. So they're all going to be very similar. I'll show you the... So these 3 will be a little more similar. And then for this bunch, we have, again, the sewn in detail. And we have this for the inside cover. So pretty. And then these papers, we have the pocket. And then the colored paper. Some more flower pictures, another one of these, some more dyed paper, and then again the fun images from that book. If you want to know the title of any of the books that I used, let me know. They're all vintage books that I got these book page images from. And then that's the back side. So I am so stoked of how well these turned out because, you know, I have an idea at the beginning of the month, and then, you know, to have that idea come to life just really makes me so happy. So I'm very pleased with how these came together. And I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. You can see on the spine here. And it's a 1/4 inch spine, so there's plenty of room for them to kind of add more pockets and things like that. So they will get with this, you know, some other pieces that they can use to decorate. And I'll show you that in my video where I show what I sent all of my patrons for the month of June. But this is my little journal collection for the month of June. It was kind of a watercolor floral botanical theme, and I hope my patrons like these as much as I liked making them because they were a lot of fun. And I do have one extra one. I have an extra one in this fabric that if anyone's interested in it, let me know, and you can email me, and yeah, we can chat about that one. So yeah, so I'm really excited. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Just wanted to do kind of a casual video while I was putting the final touches on these. And I do have full tutorials on my channel of making journals, but if you'd like to see an updated full tutorial, just leave a comment down below and let me know your favorite. Do you like this color fabric or do you like this color fabric? Do you have a preference? Let me know. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.